Today we're going to be taking a look at some more DIY fashion hacks. So this first one includes how to hide your bra if you're wearing a backless shirt. So she's basically safety pinning her bra and just kind of maneuvering it in a way that conceals it. So cute. She did a great job of hiding her bra. So cute hack to style a hoodie. So she's basically playing around and tying up the strings. Oh, that's cute. I like how she turned them into little bows. It looks like she might be doing something similar with the drawstring of her pants. Okay, so she's basically giving like reasons for trying out baggy pants, but to be honest, baggy pants are just in right now. It's that whole like Y2K aesthetic along with this shirt. So she got this from a thrift store. I love her hair, so pretty. Oh, I love how she styled this. She kind of cinched it in the middle and made it into something new. Very cute. Balloon sleeves from a scarf. And this is like a cute printed scarf too. Oh, that's cute. Very pretty. So then we have some different ways that you can style a blouse. I love that color. You would definitely probably need some fashion tape to pull off that look, but I love it. Not really feeling the half tucked in vibe. So she turned her blouse around for this one. Oh, that is cute. Oh my gosh, I might have to try that one out. Really cute. So then we have someone else playing around with a blouse. It seems to be a lot of different ways that you can style these blouses. This is really cute. Looks like she's turning it into a crop top. Oh, wow. And then here we have another maneuver with the blouse. Oh, I love it. How are people coming up with these ideas? This is just insane to me. So different ways to tuck in a shirt. How to tie belted pants. Okay, now she is on to something, because when you have pants like this and you just do the big bow, it's always so uncomfortable and it comes apart so easily. And you like constantly have to keep retying it. So it looks like she's basically doing a double knot. I have to try that out. Oh, then we have another blouse hack. So let's see what she ends up doing. This is a really pretty color too. It's like a mint jade or something. Really unique hair coloring. So she's kind of folding it under. she's kind of making it into a bow, tying it in a knot. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring